Major reforms in higher education as Odisha University Amendment Act 2024 comes into effect. Haryana CM announces full scholarship for SC and OBC students in medical and engineering nationwide. KEAM 2025 exam dates revised. Check now schedule and key details. DU principal applies cow dung on classroom walls to combat heat, sparks debate. Florida teachers' contact not renewed over use of students' preferred name amid legal controversy. Hello everyone, welcome to the Education News Network. I am Pallavi Kulkarni and today's top news are: the Odisha University Act 2024 officially came into force following Governor Dr. Hari Babu Kambhampati's assent, making transformative reform in higher education passed on April 2nd and approved on April 12th. The Act grants universities autonomy in hiring teachers through their expert committees. Ending reliance on OPSC, Vice Chancellors will be now selected by three-member educationist panel, with the age limit raised to 70. The reintroduction of University Senate ensuring inclusive governance, with 68 members advisory bodies meeting twice a year. The Act also focuses on improving teacher-student ratio, expanding distance education and increasing general finance and building committees with ensuring transparency with CAG audits and reports to the Odisha Assembly, enhancing accountability. Haryana CM Nayab Singh Saini announced full scholarships for scheduled caste and other backward class students enrolled in medical colleges and engineering colleges at government across India, stating that academic session a dedicated portal will be launched to manage applications seeking at the nationwide Awakening Mahasammelan in Gurgaon on Mahatma Jyotiba Phule's birth anniversary. CM Saini honored Phule's legacy in education and social reforms alongside leaders from UP, Bihar and Maharashtra. He highlighted the efforts of empowering the poor, including raising the OBC creamy layer income limit, low interest education loans, MSP crop purchase and subsidized gas cylinders under Har Ghar Grihini Yojana. He urged families to prioritize education as a tribute to Phule's vision. The Commissioner for Entrance Exam Kerala has revised the engineering and pharmacy courses. KEAM 2025 exam dates previously set from April 24 to 28. The computer-based test will now follow a new schedule. Engineering exams will be held from April 23, 25, 26, 27, 28 and 29 from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Pharmacy exams will be conducted in 3 sessions: April 24, 11:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. and 3:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. and April 29, 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Admit cards are now available on the official CE Kerala website. Candidates must log into and download them. Aspirants are advised to check the revised schedule and stay updated through the official portal for further announcements. In a surprising move to counter Delhi's summer heat, Lakshmi Bai College Principal Pratyush Vatsala applied cow dung on classroom walls, calling it a Desi heat control method rooted in traditional Indian knowledge. The act, part of a faculty-led research proposal on heat stress control using traditional Indian knowledge. This was captured in a video shared by Vatsala herself. While some students welcomed the unconventional idea, but others questioned its effectiveness, especially amid complaints for the broken fans and poor infrastructure throughout the city. Faculty members and academic bodies criticized the approach, calling for practical council-approved solutions. Critics say that the act highlighted deeper systematic issue as DU colleges struggle with aging infrastructure and inadequate facilities amid soaring summer temperatures. Melissa Kalhan, A literature teacher at Satellite High School in Brevard County, Florida, is at risk of losing her job for using a student's preferred name without parental consent, allegedly violating the state's parental rights in education law, often referred to as the Don't Say Gay law. The district cited a breach of policy following a parental complaint and internal investigation. Her contract expiring in May will not be renewed pending a state review. The decision sparked of students' walkout and petition with over 22,000 signatures. The case highlighted raising tension over LGBTQ rights, parental authority, and teacher discretion, with potential statewide implications as Florida's education policies grow increasingly restrictive. That's all for today's news. Signing off with Pallavi Kulkarni. For more such news and detailed information, log into our website www.theenn.com, powered by Education Today. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video and subscribe to our channel.